The DEROS, Mirka's most popular power tool. This brushless-motored workhorse can handle pretty much everything you throw at it. Here, we have the versatile DEROS 650, and here we have the newest member of the DEROS family, the 350. The DEROS is an extremely lightweight random orbital sander, weighing in at around 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. It's ergonomic and easy to hold. It comes in 3 different options of orbit: 8mm for aggressive work over large areas, 5mm, a universal balanced choice, and 2.5mm for fine finishes and sensitive work. Mirka offers a comprehensive range of abrasives that are sure to get you the finish you need fast. The DEROS offers stepped RPM control by default, but a manual control mode is available. It's entered by pressing down both the plus and minus buttons, holding them, and then you are able to control RPMs via the paddle. The DEROS offers low vibration and is easy to use even one-handed. The power cables and dust extractor connections are standardized with other Mirka Power Tools and dust extractors, letting you spend more time sanding and less time setting up. Mirka's power tools offer a 2+1 year warranty, and it's easy to register a new tool via its Bluetooth connection to the myMirka app. Working dust-free with Mirka's Abranet range keeps your work cleaner, your lungs healthier, and gets the job done sooner.